Hi there, welcome to the third star in our Christmas set, the Gingerbread Man. Outline and flood the entire star cookie using a brown royal icing in a 15-second consistency. If you jiggle the icing as you go, it will help it settle down and lie smooth. When you're done, give it a little shake to smooth out the icing even further and pop any air bubbles with a scribe or a toothpick. After letting the cookie dry for at least 20 minutes, you can go back and do a zigzag pattern around the outside edge with the white royal icing in at least a 15-second consistency. If there are parts of your squiggle that you don't like, you can take a damp paintbrush and wipe off any excess water and move the white icing where you want it. Now, using green icing, make 2 triangles for the bow tie and fill them in. My icing was a 15-second consistency, like always. You can use a scribe or a toothpick to make the corners sharp and shape the icing how you want it. Now let's use a wet-on-wet technique to make the eyes. Make a big circle with the white icing and then immediately put black icing right into the white icing at the bottom for the eyeball. Repeat that process for the other eye. You can kind of jiggle it a little bit with a scribe to get it to settle down. Try to make your eyes the same size. I decided to put some holly leaves above his eye. So using a 101 S tip, I made 3 upside down U's on one side and then turned the cookie over and made 3 upside down U's on the other side. To do this, you need to use stiff icing right out of the mixer. Then add a red dot in the middle. Using black airbrush paint by Americolor, I added smile lines under the eyes and some eyelashes. And then I gave him a big grin. Finally, I used white edible paint and put highlights in his eyes. And let's not forget to put the center in our bow tie. He's so cute. This one might be my favorite cookie in the set. Subscribe to the channel to see the next cookie in the series. Thanks for watching.